Hello, boys and girls. Tim Teacher here with another book for us to read this week. This week, we're reading the book Hiccup. Right? Hiccup. And the book, as you can see down here at the bottom, is written by Taylor Jordon and illustrated by Frank Remkowitz. Right? Illustrated means he did the pictures. Right? And we thank them for doing the book. Right? If you look at the front, right? Hiccup. Do you know what a hiccup is? You probably get them sometimes. I get them sometimes. If I drink something like a soda or a pop too fast, or maybe I eat something too fast, then inside me, things start to go up and bubbly, and then, right? That's a hiccup, right? This is our character this week, right? He has the hiccups. But what is he? What is he? Do you know? A dog? No. A cat? No. He's a hippopotamus. A hippopotamus. A hippopotamus. He's a hippo. Hippo. That's far easier to say than the very long word hippopotamus, right? Let's go ahead and start. Right, there he is on the inside as well. Hiccup! Uh-oh, he has the hiccups. Right, there he is in his house. Look, he hiccuped so hard that his hat came off his head. Right, off his head. Hiccup! Hiccup! Uh-oh. 2 times he hiccuped. 1, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Can you do it again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is he doing? Counting like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And he's not done. Right? Look. 7, 8, 9. Do you know what he's doing? Look at his eyes. Whoa. What's he doing? 10. What was he doing? He was holding his breath, right? Very good. Some people say that if you have the hiccups, right, you can hold your breath to get rid of them. Hiccup! Uh-oh. He did not get rid of them. The hippo still has the hiccups. Hiccup! Hiccup! Oh, and here comes somebody else. Perhaps his sister is coming. Maybe she can help him get rid of the hiccups. Boo! Oh, scared myself. Look, she tried to scare him. Maybe your mom or dad also told you if you get the hiccups, they will try to scare you. And maybe that'll make the hiccups go away. What do you think? Did it make his hiccups go away? Hiccup! Oh, no, it did not. He still has the hiccups. Oh, but now look, she's reading a book. Hippo Hiccups, How to Stop Them. She has an idea. Look, maybe if he does what? What is he doing? Very good. He is drinking. Can you tell what he's drinking? Is he drinking pop? Is he drinking milk? Orange juice? Very good. I think he's drinking water. That's probably what the book says. Drink some water, right? Can you say it? The hippo is drinking water, right? Very good. Will it get rid of his hiccups? Hiccup! Oh, no. So, they're going to try another thing, right? Another thing. Look, this one you might not know. She has a watch, a clock, a small clock, and she's swinging it in front of him, and he watches it. She's trying to hypnotize him. Then she can tell him the hiccups are gone, and he will think they're gone. Hiccup! But it didn't work. Now they're trying something else. Going underwater, right? I don't know if that would work, right? Have you ever gone underwater like this? Look, he has goggles on so he can see, and he has this thing here so he can do what? Very good, so he can breathe. Look, and he has little hippo swimming trunks. Hiccup! Oh, they didn't work. Hiccup? Look. Now they have another idea. I don't know what kind of idea this is, but what is he doing? Look. He's putting on a costume, right? Like you might wear for Halloween. His costume is a what? Very good. It's a chicken. A chicken costume. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Oh, now he's not hiccuping. Now he's acting like a chicken. Right? Very good. You say it. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Do it again. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Right? Very good. You can sound like a chicken too. Look. I think this is his sister, right? His sister and he are having fun. But I don't see any hiccups, do you? No, I do not see any hiccups. Hooray! Right, very good. Look, they're excited, right? Hooray, the hiccups are gone. Hiccup! Uh-oh. What do you think has happened? Does he have the hiccups again? No. He dressed up like a chicken and somehow the hiccups went goodbye. But now his sister has the hiccups. Oh, so maybe she'll have to dress up like a chicken. I hope you enjoyed this book this week, boys and girls. This was a very fun book for us. And the pictures of the hippo and his sister were very nice as well, right? I look forward to reading with you next week. Have a good week. Bye-bye.